Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you are fine. May God bless you all. Welcome to my channel. So beautiful people, let's dive into our 7-day skincare challenge for permanently removing facial hairs and achieving glowing, soft skin. On day 1, we'll start with a clean slate by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser suitable for your skin type to remove all dirt and impurities. In the evening, exfoliate using a mild scrub to slough off dead skin cells, revealing smoother skin underneath. Remember to be gentle to avoid irritation. Moving on to day 2, we'll focus on natural hair removal methods. Prepare a paste with turmeric and milk. Apply it to the facial hair areas and let it sit for 20 minutes before rinsing off. Turmeric helps to weaken hair follicles over time, leading to reduced hair growth. Follow up with aloe vera gel to soothe the skin. Day 3 is all about hydration. Drink plenty of water and keep your skin moisturized. In the evening, apply a hydrating face mask. You can make one at home with ingredients like honey and yogurt for a natural glow. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. On day 4, after cleansing your face, use a natural toner like rose water to balance your skin's pH levels. Follow up with a good moisturizer to lock in the hydration, doing this both in the morning and at night. Additionally, continue applying the turmeric and milk paste to the facial hair areas every evening. On day 5, it's time for some gentle exfoliation again. Use a soft, natural exfoliant like a mixture of oatmeal and honey. After exfoliating, apply a brightening serum or a DIY mask with turmeric and milk to enhance your skin's glow. Day 6 is dedicated to nourishment and repair. Use a nourishing oil like jojoba or rosehip oil in your nighttime routine. These oils are great for repairing and rejuvenating your skin while you sleep. Massage it gently into your skin for better absorption. Continue the turmeric and milk paste application in the evening. Congratulations on making it to day 7. Today, let's focus on that final glow. Use a sheet mask for an instant boost of hydration and radiance. Don't forget to apply sunscreen during the day to protect your newly glowing skin from harmful UV rays. And that's it. Follow this 7-day skincare challenge, and you'll see a noticeable difference in your skin, softer, smoother, and with reduced facial hair growth. Share your results in the comments below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Glam and Glow Organically for more amazing tips. And take care of yourself, take care of your family and people around you, and spread love. Goodbye.